Hey everybody, this is Lewis Porter Jr. So I just got in our package of our newest product that we just got done coming in. I mean, it's all here, it's all ready to go. I'm gonna open it up. I haven't seen it. This is still boxed up, and we're gonna check out, see which product this is. I don't remember because I sent two of them off at the same time, so it could be one or the other. But we're gonna check out the printing. We're gonna see it live as it is here, as I'm undoing it right now. It's like, can't change it or do anything different. I gotta. People are like, why are you not tearing apart like a wild animal? Well, I don't do that. I don't get that part. But take stuff off. I don't want to damage anything. You know, any more than God knows sometimes going to drop. That part I have to blur out. So, back a little bit. Boom. Okay. So first off, this is for Amazing Power. And it looks good. Logo problem on the back, but that's not really anything major. Everything looks good. The ISBN is in here. Geez, I wish I made the box bigger. Alright. It's full color, like the way we wanted it. This is our big Powers book, and we want to get this out as soon as possible. It's very good, looks very nice. I'm very happy. Oh, some art for some people we know. Oh, some people we know. There you go. And this looks pretty good to me. And this bad boy is, how many pages is this? 40, 48? Yeah, it's like 48 pages. So, as you've seen this video, we're going to be sending this out and putting this for sale doubly quick. I'm very happy with this one. Another one I'm very, very happy with. So if you wanted to get a print copy, you kept saying, I want to get print copies of your stuff. I don't want to buy just the PDFs. Well, here's your print copy. Boom. It's there. It's available. It'll be online. So by the time this video goes up, it'll be online. You can download it and have a great time. Enjoy yourself. We'll send out, of course, press releases for this probably today or tomorrow. But when you see this video, this will be up. You can check it out and you can get a copy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you all later.